Alright, so I had a video request to do talking about the axles. So as you see, I got them slid all the way back right now. It's where I picked it up. This company over here at John Deere, they put all the axles at the very rear. So we have to slide them. Now with bridge law, okay, we're only allowed to have the axles so far back. And you can see right here is the 40-inch mark from the kingpin. So for California, it's 40, 41, something like that. I don't remember exactly. Nail me to a cross. Sometimes it'll say California legal. It's been a while since I've had to be California legal, so I don't remember the exact numbers. But I got a picture. I can send it to you, and it shows you exactly where it's at. I'll try to put it on my YouTube or something, maybe Instagram for you guys. But anyway, to adjust your axles, what you do, go ahead and reach under, and you grab that lever, and you pull it all the way out, and you lock it in place just right there. And it pulls those pins back that you see up underneath there. Now, sometimes those pins don't go all the way back, and so what you do is you rock the trailer forward, backwards a little bit, and those pins will eventually suck in. But go ahead and come on backwards with it, and bump it all the way to where you feel it go all the way to the front, and then just go forward a little bit, bring them back just a little, okay?
So I back it up?
All the way until you feel it hit, and just go forward a little bit, and then that's about good. So we'll look right here and we'll kind of see what's about to happen. Now, I know where the truck trailer is, so I know I'm pretty safe right where I'm sitting. Keep going. All right, that's good, I guess. That'll work. Huh? That's good. All right, back up. Back up. All right. All right, so you can see the pins went in. And then that's it. So, to be Cali legal, you'd want this arrow, I think it's 40 or 40 or 41, something like that. Anyway, we want the arrow to be in line with the axle. So, as you can see, we did that. We're right where we need to be. So, to be California legal, or to adjust your axles, it is literally that easy. I can do some more videos on this, going a little bit more in depth, or me showing you how I do it. But it's pretty it's one of those things, it's pretty easy. So you still go ahead and put air to the trailer, and you want to check your lines. So we're about to check the lines here for an air leak. No leaks? No leaks. Now he's going to go check the back for leaks. Now, as you can see, that this has the tire inflation system, so you might hear some air movement as it airs up the tires, balances them out, and all that kind of good stuff, and that's fine. What you're listening for is air escaping. We don't hear that, but there is a piece of metal right there.
Yes, there is.
So, let's go talk to the tire guy. Because guess what, guys? He's already here. Dun, dun, dun. Alright. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe while we deal with this fun tire person. Have fun. Boom.